Good morning, YouTube. Today's an exciting day. Christmas is coming past, but I got one thing for Christmas that I'm like super pumped about, and it's not the Saints hat, but it is some Saints colors. You guys already know what that is. So with that being said, today's going to be an unboxing, clipper review, and overall thoughts of the Gold FX. So let's get the day started. Okay, so first things first, we're going to start with the unboxing. Here we have the Gold FX. The back of the package breaks down the clipper and shows you all the features. Open it up. You're greeted with the clipper. Okay, so we're going to leave that in there. Pull this plastic up. Okay. Inside of the plastic, you have a charger cable. Get a little cleaning brush, some oil, a clipper guard, or a blade guard, sorry. I have already opened these, so that's why this is open already. But then you get clipper guards, and the clipper guards that you get range from a 0.5, which is like a half guard, all the way up to a 6. So there's no 7 and 8 like the wall guards, like the wall color guards, or just the regular wall guards, I should say. But you do get 0.5 through 6, which to me is plenty. So that's that. And then you have the clipper. Now on the clipper, there's a piece of tape over the power button. You're supposed to charge these for 3 hours before you initially turn them on. The lady at the beauty store told me that she turned them on when she first got them in. So I'm interested to see how this battery life holds up, because she's already fired them up like a million times, she said, on the factory charge, which you're not supposed to do, but we'll see. Babyliss says that the full battery life will happen once you go through 3 full charge and decharge cycles. So that's what they claim. So I have already plugged these in for 3 hours prior to me using them. So this is my first time like showing them on camera and stuff. It says important, keep blades oiled. I'm gonna take that sticker off so I can get more surface of gold. And then yeah, so today's gonna be a compilation of me using the clipper and giving my initial thoughts at the end of the day. So stay tuned. We're gonna see. I'm gonna leave that one on there. We're gonna see how we feel about it. So that's what you get in the box. Retail, they're about $200. I'll link an Amazon link if I could find one below, so you can purchase a pair if you like them. So let's give a first fire real quick. They're super quiet. I have my mic right here. Super quiet. Can't wait to use these. Let's get the day started. Work for like 2 hours. Okay, so end of the day, my full opinion. Obviously, I only got 1 day in them, but so far, I would say these are right up there with the seniors as far as like my go-to clipper. These are super powerful. They lasted me all day on a single charge. I did about 11 or 12 heads today with them on one charge. I only plugged them in once for like 5-10 minutes if you guys want to count that. The housing so far, I've been kind of beating them up a little bit today, but housing's held up really well. Obviously, it's only 1 day. I did notice that hair gets caught in these grooves right here, so that's something to take note about. See if I can get it to focus a little bit. So you guys can kind of see the little black marks in there. That's hair that you got to clean out with like a brush or something. Powerful motor. I didn't have any problems with them bogging down at all today. The guard system was pretty easy to get used to. It's similar to walls, but it's a little bit different at the same time. I found out that I like to use Babyliss's 1.5, Babyliss is 1, and then Wall's premium half guard still. So kind of mix and match in the guards. The Wall color guards and premium guards do fit this blade. This blade's similar to the taper blade, the 1006 blade on the Walls. So it fits all the guards. It fades the same way. I wasn't sure about the old Maglite grip here, but pretty much what I did was I just rested my finger here and my thumb here, and that gave me my flicking motion and my straight up and down motion that I liked. The clicking on the lever was amazing. I fell in love with this very quickly, which is dope. And you can actually tighten this handle to make that clicking more intense and harder to move. But overall, I would definitely recommend these. I got them for $200 at Cosmoprof. I would link a Amazon link if I can find one down below so you guys can purchase them. Super dope. Like I said, I'm looking forward to using these a little bit more, so I'll give you guys a little bit more review if I find any more problems as they pop up. But so far, I would say I would put these right next to my seniors as far as how much I use them and I like them. I can use the same guard system with them, so yeah, I will keep you guys updated. But that was just a quick unboxing and everything review. Anyways, I'm rambling. Let me get back to what I was doing, which was cleaning up. Or watching Freddie clean up, whatever. Make sure you guys check them out, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.